As always, thanks for joining us. This is Holly, live from Kalkine TV studio in Sydney, and you're watching The Market Movers. Australian shares are buoyed on Thursday by the mining, real estate and healthcare sectors. Losses in energy stocks following an overnight drop in crude oil prices capped the index gains. Australian energy stocks fell to 5-month lows as oil prices dropped. Oil prices are weighed by concerns that surging COVID-19 cases in India will drive down fuel demand in the world's third biggest oil importer, and by surprise build in the US stockpiles. Heavyweights Woodside Petroleum and Santos lost more than 2%. AGL Energy hits record lows as the CEO resigns amid plans to split. AGL Energy Limited has today announced that its managing director and CEO, Brett Redman, has resigned after almost 15 years with the company, including the past 2.5 years as a CEO. AGL's current chairman, Graham Hunt, has been appointed interim managing director and CEO effective immediately and will step down as chairman. Australia's AMP Limited hits over a 1-year low as outflows continue in the first quarter. AMP Capital saw net outflows of $2.9 billion, including $1.3 billion largely from internal clients. Assets under management at AMP Capital were down 1.7% from December to $186.5 billion at the end of March due to internal restructuring at Precinct and the sale of its global companies' funds. Shares of online marketplace Redbubble were noted near a 5-month low as quarterly earnings missed estimates, despite operating EBITDA noted at $2.2 million versus losses of $6.3 million last year. Redbubble Limited reported strong growth across geographies and product categories for the third quarter. In coming times, the company anticipates an outstanding opportunity for continuous growth and scaling of the business. And internet connectivity business Megaport is topping the ASX 200 board. Megaport reported solid quarterly growth with underlying monthly recurring revenue up 10% during the third quarter. Megaport also noted monthly recurring revenue up 8%. The company launched Megaport Virtual Edge with immediate support from Cisco SD-WA. And Aussie gold nears 3 months highs as US dollars and US Treasury yields ease. The index heavyweight Newcrest Mining climbed as much as 2.1% to hit its highest since November 19 of 2020. Northern Star Resources, Westgold Resources and Chalice Mining are trading higher. And as well, next up, looking at the other news makers, shares of Splitit rose as much as 3.1% to 0.825 cents, marking their biggest intraday percentage gain since April 14th. The BNPL firm announced a launch of Splitit Plus, a new payment gateway designed exclusively for installment payments. And Jupiter Minerals Limited marked remarkable gains on the ASX as the company announced its final dividend of 0.02 cents for the final year ending the 28th of February 2021. The dividends are unfranked with a total of FY 2021 payout ratio of 94%. And the share price of Brambles Limited traded in green today. Brambles reported sales revenue from continuing operations of $3,794.1 million for the first 9 months of the financial year ending June 30th, 2021, representing a rise of 8% at actual FX sales on the prior corresponding period. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Kalkine TV as we bring you the latest and trending market news live from Sydney.